Tasha's Toy Time.
Yeah! Hello, welcome back to Tasha's Toy Time. And Tasha's already eager to open what we're opening today. Magical Mixer Play Set by Play-Doh. Huh? Are we going to open that?
Ow!
Come on, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you.
Yay!
Yeah. Oh my God, Natasha, what is it? Ooh, it's a mixer. It's a mixer. Oh, wow. Wow. Come on, Mommy's gonna help you. We're gonna make cupcakes. Oh, we need to put it together. We need to put it together. Goes here. Oh, there's a loose here. Oh, hold on, that we need there. There. One mixing thing. Beep boop. Second mixing thingy boop. What now? This is this. Mixer and a half, I would say. That's like a proper mixer, right? Ooh, we have some great Play-Doh. Let me open it for you. That's colour green and brown. She loves when I put them all together. There you go. Oh, wow. Ooh, this is some colourful whites. Wow, this is for icing, I think. Blue. Beautiful blue.
Mommy. Mama.
There you go. Oh, she loves Play-Doh. Every kid loves Play-Doh. So I think great. Oh, I love this vibrant pink fuchsia. Yeah, it is yours entirely.
Great!
Shall put that away and away and oh my God, look at that! Wow! Yeah, you.
Okay.
You entirely yours. Let's put that. Oh my God. So we're going to make... Look at all these beautiful colors.
Great!
Oh, you can mold these things inside. Wow! We are trying to make... Oh, we are trying to cook. Natasha? Oh. Wow! Ah, wow.
Yay!
We've made a cupcake. Natasha? We've made a cupcake.
Okay.
Yeah. This Play-Doh color, the white one, is so pretty. Yeah! The one that made this icing. This Play-Doh set is such a
Good job!
that I have to be going now and wave
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and like it if you like
Good job!
because I am really now have to bake. So bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What have you baked?
Mommy.
What are you baking?
Mommy.
Yeah, you're baking still.
Yummy.